Many facilities use energy to run their daily to-day activities, and in order to get opportunities for savings, the way they consume has to be monitored. That will require that qualified auditors and engineers measure their consumption. As you can see in this video shows how energy is being measured using software tools. And for us to use this particular equipment, which is an power and energy logger, as you can see, the technician has to put on gloves for the sake of his own safety. In our earlier on, you saw he has safety boots. So first of all, somebody has to be secured in terms of the safety, because safety is a key part of engineering. This equipment is very, very useful in measuring and taking data in the field and in facilities. It's an equipment that is used to record. It provides all the power and energy measurements simultaneously. That means it records power and records energy all at the same time, and these measurements are then recorded and analyzed. This particular equipment that auditors use, as you can see, has a lot of technical specifications. The technician, as you can see right there, is now trying to set up the equipment for accurate measurement. That's the bag that contains the equipment. Those are some of the parts of the equipment, and let's just see what happens. The wires have to be set up, and then what happens here is that is the bus bar. Those are some of the connections where voltages and currents are measured from. As you can see, we have the current transformers. That is a current transformer being put. It is going to use to measure the current, and so it's a three-phase equipment where all the lines from line 1, line 2 and line 3 are all measurement taken, including the neutral. So the glove has to be put on, and then one of the current transformers is set up. Those are live bus bars, so it has to be put in a particular direction for accurate recording of data. Line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3. When all this data is taken, eventually it will be recorded in a computer. To power the equipment, that's a self-powering system that is used. It's clipped so that the machine itself can run on the same power that it's measuring. And then now we go to the voltage, where we have to measure the voltage. And here, what you can see the technician is doing is unrolling the wires that are used to measure the voltages, and then they're going to be set up in the equipment. Eventually, the power analyzer takes data of the voltage, the phase voltages, the line voltages, the phase currents, the line currents. It takes all the data as regards the current ratio, the power, the energy, the electrical phases, the power factor, and harmonics. So that is a voltage. It's a voltage line that is going to go through to the consumption board. Let's see. This equipment gives us a correct measurement of the amount of energy consumed, and in fact, storage of all the data that is done here is at a 1 second interval, and the user selected the command intervals. Yeah. So eventually, when this data is taken, analysis is done, and total consumption of the whole facility is taken in terms of voltage and current to get the energy savings and its opportunities.